Hello, little friends! Do you like yummy fruits? Today, we have a super fun guessing game. You will see a mystery fruit and try to guess what it is before the answer appears. Can you guess all 10 fruits? Let's find out. Ready? Let's go. What is this? Crunchy and red. Can you guess? Apple. It's an apple. Crunch, crunch, sweet red apple. Great job. What is this? Long and yellow. Can you guess? Banana. It's a banana. Peel the banana. Yum, yum. Awesome. What is this? Big and juicy. Can you guess? Watermelon. It's a watermelon. Cut the watermelon. Munch, munch. Nice guessing. What is this? Small and sweet. Can you guess? Strawberry. It's a strawberry. Red strawberry. Yummy. Well done. What is this? Round and orange. Can you guess? Orange. It's an orange. Peel the orange. So juicy. Fantastic. What is this? Purple and sweet. Can you guess? Grapes. They are grapes. 1 grape, 2 grapes, 3 grapes. Yummy grapes. Great work. What is this? It wears a crown. Can you guess? Pineapple. It's a pineapple. Sweet pineapple. Wow, you got it. What is this? Sweet and juicy. Can you guess? Mango. It's a mango. Yummy mango. Amazing. What is this? Round and fuzzy. Can you guess? Peach. It's a peach. Soft peach. So pretty. Excellent. And the last one. What is this? Hard outside, sweet inside. Can you guess? Coconut. It's a coconut. Slurp, slurp, refreshing coconut water. Hooray! Let's say all the fruits together. Apple, banana, watermelon, strawberry, orange, grapes, pineapple, mango, peach, coconut. Wow! You guessed so many fruits today. You're amazing. Thank you for playing with us. See you next time. Bye-bye.